Welcome to Study Loop.
Hey everyone, today we're answering problem number 30 from chapter 14 of the textbook, which asks us, what goods and services would you include in an estimate of the basic necessities for a family of four? So when we're discussing basic necessities for a family, we have to think about what types of goods or services would be required in a household for a family. Well, clearly, at first, you would need obviously food and water. So food, water, obviously the house itself, so some form of shelter, and then also clothes. Those are often considered basic necessities. Food could be like eggs, butter, milk, um, toast, things like that. And yeah, so those are like your basic necessities that you typically need for a family. But since we are in the 21st century, we have to think about this question in a more modern reference. So when we think about it in that way, with the changing times, we realize that there are some other additional basic necessities. So if you think about it for your children, you would need education for the children. That could be a basic necessity. Um, Also, for the entire family, you might need healthcare for the family. Something else that you might need, if we think about it, nowadays, since we're always on our phones and computers, you would need access to phones and computers. Along with that, Wi-Fi. So those are some other examples of how, in the modern day, with the changing times, where we're no longer simple people. I mean, some people may say we're still simple, but we definitely are using more technology, for instance, and education, healthcare are a lot of times considered, universal rights for people and necessities, essentially. So because of that, we also have to include this list right here. So these are probably the items that come to your mind at first when we think about this question, but also remember that with changing times and with our more modern life, so, all right, with more modern life, or rather modern times, we realize that our basic necessities have actually expanded. So there you have it. If you guys enjoyed this video explanation, please hit the like button next to it. I hope you all have a nice day, and thank you for watching.